In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit the delete button next to the edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!